Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
I know joke business Trump a go on. See, work me I go see the door there, the restaurant. See the man them block off the door there. Then have all the regular NYPD and watch. See there, the door. See them around there, the immigration officer them. And then block off the restaurant door. People out the door can't go in. See there? And no play business a go on. I see you sitting there go on to Trump really mean it. You see, them attack the restaurant them and them place where they know some most of the people in there when no paperwork. And a joke thing. Trotted.
Viewers and subscribers, on the 17th of June 2019, it has been said that President Donald Trump made a tweet that there is a plan, right, to deport millions of people that are in the United States of America illegally. Now, this video we see right here so is a result of that plan that has been said to have been tweeted by Mr. Donald Trump. And this video we see right here so is not the only video that shows where persons have been, captured by immigration officers and deported. You see what I say? And there you have it. This video says you think a joke business Trump a going with. But with these things happening now, a whole lot of things are being said, not throughout the whole world, social media, right? Social media, some persons on social media says that what Donald Trump is doing is wrong. Some persons on social media says that what he's doing is right. Some persons says that he's doing this because his term as a president is coming to an end soon. And some persons are saying that he's only trying to make his country a better place, right? So me leave this with you, my viewers and subscribers. Let you tell me what you think, right? I mean, is it that he's wrong, or is it that he's right for what he's doing? Is he trying to make his country a better place, or so on and so on? Alright, so I'm leave it right here, so I'm just tell me what you think, alright? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it?